Hey guys, I just got another delivery from my friends over at Bolt, and even Dolly and Loki want to know what's in the boxes. First up is a box of swag they sent over. Check out this reusable bag. They also included a couple of t-shirts, koozie, a few ducks, and some really cool stickers. Looks like Loki might be stealing that duck. Okay, on to box number 2. This is where the real magic is. Inside, we've got the Bolt 6-foot cable lock. This is great for securing all of your gear. Plus, it uses your vehicle's key, so you don't have to carry a bunch of random ones around on the road. Inside the package, you get the lock itself. This is just like the hitch receiver lock that we got before, but it comes with this 6-foot cable instead of a receiver pin. When you open the cap, you get a warning label telling you not to remove it until set up. So let's take that off and then remove the rubber seal over the keyhole. Next, grab your Jeep key. Insert the key into the bolt lock and do one full rotation. That's it. We're all set, so it's time to test it out. Run the cable through the loop and then press it into the lock. Once secure, you can see there's no removing it. So let's grab the Jeep key and test it out. Perfect. And just look at how nicely this is all made. The key fits perfectly and looks great. So let's run out to the Jeep and secure down our Action Trax. With our lock in hand, we can find the best place to run the cable. After stretching the cable out, I'm going to run it through the wheel on my spare, and then through the Action Trax recovery boards. With the cable in place, we just need to connect the lock. And just like that, my recovery gear is safe and sound. And whenever I need to unlock them, I just pull out my Jeep key. Talk about easy access, and it looks pretty good too. Pick up your Bolt cable lock in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.